Welcome to the Daily Dose podcast brought to you by Velocity Technologies. I'm your host, Angelo, broadcasting from the sunny city of Tempe, Arizona, and keeping.
And I'm Nia, coming to you from our office in Tucson, Arizona. Today, we have a compelling topic on our agenda. We're discussing Microsoft's new update for Windows 11, the 24H2 update, which has stirred a bit of controversy. It seems Microsoft's decision to push this update has sparked a lot of discussions, and we're here to break it all down.
Absolutely, Nia. This update is supposed to bring some significant changes, but not everyone is on board with the way Microsoft is implementing it. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what this update entails and why it might actually be beneficial.
To start, let's give our listeners a broad overview. Microsoft has rolled out the Windows 11 24H2 update, and it's no secret that it's causing quite a stir. At its core, this update aims to enhance user experience and security. But what exactly does it bring to the table?
That's a great starting point, Nia. This update focuses on several key areas: performance enhancements, security upgrades, and improved user interface. Microsoft has always been committed to continuous improvement, and this update is reflective of that endeavor, though not without its fair share of controversy.
Let's talk about the user interface first. One of the most noticeable changes is the revamped Start menu. Microsoft has redesigned it to be more intuitive and user-friendly, focusing on a cleaner and more organized appearance.
Yes, they've introduced new features like a customizable Start menu layout, which allows users more control over their desktop environment. This is part of Microsoft's ongoing effort to tailor the Windows experience to individual user preferences.
And let's not forget the taskbar upgrades. It now offers more dynamic widgets and has improved integration capabilities with Teams, which is especially relevant given the surge in remote work.
Moving on to performance, the 24H2 update promises faster boot times and more efficient resource management. This is crucial for users who rely on their systems for demanding tasks. Microsoft has streamlined the operating system to reduce background processes and improve overall speed. End quote.
Indeed, performance is always a big concern for users. In terms of security, Microsoft has made some significant strides. This update includes enhanced malware protection and better encryption protocols, ensuring that users' data is more secure than ever.
Plus, they've integrated more sophisticated AI-based threat detection. This proactive approach aims to preemptively identify and neutralize potential threats before they can cause any harm.
Now, onto the controversy surrounding the rollout. The main point of contention is the way Microsoft is pushing this update. Many users feel that it's being forced upon them without sufficient notice or the option to opt out easily.
That's right, Nia. Many users are accustomed to having more control over whether and when they update their systems. This automatic push has left some feeling uneasy, fearing potential disruptions to their current setups.
So let's discuss the community's reaction. There's definitely a mixed bag of responses here. Some users appreciate the effort to keep systems updated for security reasons, while others feel their autonomy is being compromised.
Yes, and it's important to highlight that while some see this as invasive, others argue it's a necessary step to ensure all users have the latest security patches, ultimately protecting them against exploits and vulnerabilities.
The tech community has also chimed in. Many experts suggest that in today's digital age, keeping software up to date is crucial. They argue that an automatic update is a sensible approach to mitigate security risks.
Despite the backlash, there are clear benefits to this update that shouldn't be overlooked. For instance, the enhanced security measures are a big plus, especially for businesses that handle sensitive information.
Absolutely, Angelo. An up-to-date system can provide a smoother and more secure experience. Additionally, the performance improvements can significantly benefit users who rely heavily on their computers for work or creative projects.
Let's address how Microsoft might tackle these autonomy concerns. They could offer more transparent communication and provide users with better tools to manage their updates. This might alleviate some of the frustrations.
That's a valid point. Offering clear instructions on how to pause or schedule updates could go a long way in maintaining user trust while still pushing necessary upgrades.
Looking ahead, this update could set a precedent for how Microsoft handles future rollouts. Balancing between ensuring security and respecting user autonomy will be key.
It will be interesting to see how Microsoft navigates this in the future. They may need to adapt their approach as user feedback continues to roll in.
In conclusion, while the Windows 11 24H2 update brings valuable improvements, the method of its rollout has sparked significant debate.
Exactly. And it will be crucial for Microsoft to find a balance that meets both the security needs and autonomy expectations of its users.
Before we wrap up, let's hear about our sponsor.
Sure thing, Angelo. Velocity Technologies is your go-to partner for cutting-edge IT solutions. With offices in Tempe and Tucson, we're here to empower your business with top-tier cybersecurity, managed IT services, and cloud solutions tailored to your needs. Visit our website at velocitytech.edg to learn how we can keep your technology running smoothly and securely.
Thanks, Nia. And thank you to our listeners for tuning into this episode of The Daily Dose. We hope you found our discussion on Microsoft's Windows 11 update insightful. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.
Bye for now.